Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 best budget wireless mice in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these budget wireless mice, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the Victsing MM057. Not every good thing in life must be expensive, and if you're looking for a good old wireless mouse without splashing away serious money, you have to take a look at the amazing set of wireless mice I have here. The cheapest one in this list is the Victsing MM057, which costs less than a trip to your local fast food chain. On top of that, this mouse can truly perform its wireless duties thanks to the 2.4 GHz connection, 5 adjustable DPI settings, a good design that works excellently, and a good set of buttons. It may be the cheapest, but it's not the weakest. The Victsing MM057 is a pretty basic no-frills wireless mouse that's pretty compact and isn't coupled with tons of features. However, it does its job pretty well. It has an asymmetrical shape on its 2x3.1 by 4.5 inch body that weighs just 3.2 ounces in total, making it appropriate for the majority of hand sizes. It has rubber grips on the sides in a teardrop shape, and the overall shape of the mouse pushes you more into a claw grip rather than a palm one. The mouse comes in a variety of colours you can choose from, and it's really nice to see that you're not limited to the bare-bones black version. The device has the standard set of buttons like the left and right click, the scroll wheel that's also clickable, the DPI button that changes its settings, and the back and forward buttons on the left side for easier browsing. To activate and use the mouse, just take the receiver from its bottom and plug it into your PC, then insert one AA battery to the mouse to start using it. It's as simple as that, and you don't require any software or drivers. It's worth noting that the buttons are tested and are rated to withstand 5 million clicks, pretty impressive for a cheap device like this. The 2.4 GHz connection coupled with the PAW 3212 chip gives you an operation range of about 33 feet. It has a DPI range from 800 to 2400 and a scroll polling rate of 125 Hz and 250 Hz that allows you to get some nice control of your mouse. It may not be the most customizable, but at this price, it is more than welcome. At number 4, it's the Logitech M510. Another affordable mouse in this list is the excellent Logitech M510, which is also the best pick for laptop users thanks to its compact and excellent body. It also delivers great ergonomics that'll be very useful for comfort, lengthy battery life, programmable buttons, plug-and-play setup, and much more. Without further ado, let's take a closer look at this device. The Logitech M510 has a symmetrical hourglass shape that's very ergonomic and reduces hand fatigue. However, it's not an ambidextrous mouse. It's designed for right-hand use since it has programmable thumb buttons on the left flank. Apart from that, you can also enjoy it for left-hand users. The device has a pretty aesthetically pleasing design that looks good on every desk, and on the side of it you'll find rubberized grips that provide an excellent grip for your hand. Despite its price, this mouse comes in a variety of paint jobs. You can choose from dark grey, dark blue and red, which are all excellent, so it's a matter of personal taste. This mouse is the definition of plug and play because you just take the nano receiver, connect it to your PC for it to function. It also is worth mentioning that this device has a battery life of about 2 years before giving up, and even after that an AA battery will get the job done. This mouse utilizes a laser optical detection sensor instead of the red light motion sensor, so it works on a variety of surfaces, even carpets, wood and clothing. These features make this mouse the perfect one for laptop users. The wireless performance was excellent as well, delivering an uninterrupted connectivity throughout my use, even from a distance. Its buttons are perfect as well for productivity purposes, as it had the standard set of buttons plus the 2 thumb buttons that work for forward and back but can be reprogrammed to suit any function that you like. If you want a great and functional wireless mouse for your laptop that won't break the bank, this is your safest choice. At number 3, it's the HP Z3700. As everybody gets more style conscious these days, we opt for devices that are attractive as well as functional, and this doesn't exclude wireless mice. For that purpose, HP has put out an ultra-attractive mouse that'll turn some heads, the Z3700. However, they're not just a pretty face, as this mouse delivers excellent functionality with its optical sensor, wireless performance and long battery life. The biggest selling point of this mouse is its style, so it's aesthetically pleasing with its low profile and clean lines that look pretty futuristic and high-tech. It's designed to go along with HP's high-end laptops that portray similar aesthetics, such as the Spectre. And it's very important to note that it comes in a variety of paint jobs, including the plain black, modern gold, red, sport purple and turbo silver, all pretty attractive, so you choose the one that goes most with your laptop and desk. The device measures 3.98 by 2.37 by 1 inches in total and weighs just 1.76 ounces, so it'll fit right into your laptop backpack. In terms of buttons, the HP Z3700 does not have rich options since it has just the right click, left click and the scroll button, but it is pretty good since this device is intended for travel use and portability. The HP Z3700 has no initial setup and it's a true plug-and-play device, as you just put the nano receiver into your PC and it's all done. No need for any installation, drivers or anything similar. The HP Z3700 has 2.4 GHz wireless connection that performs excellently up to 33 feet of distance. It has low latency and there's no interruption. It's equipped with a pretty capable optical sensor that works on a variety of surfaces and has a DPI of 1200, meaning that it's enough for productivity work. The AA battery on this mouse delivers a life of up to 16 months, and it's also worth noting that the mouse has some battery-saving features that'll help you in the long run. At number 2, it's the Anker Vertical. Anker is a Chinese brand that's rising steadily in the tech market thanks to its quality products delivering amazing value. The Anker Vertical is one of their best-selling products, and it's a vertical mouse as its name implies. If it's your first time using a vertical mouse, it'll feel strange. However, after a while you'll see that the ergonomics and comfort package of this will be second to none. The Anker Vertical is also one of the highest rated mice on Amazon thanks to its comfort levels, amazing sensor and a pretty affordable price. Like a true vertical mouse, the Anker Vertical is taller than your usual mouse as it measures 3.98 by 3.23 by 3.15 inches in total. It has a great shape that pushes you to the handshake position that may take some time to get used to, but it's the most comfortable grip for a mouse. This is the best for ergonomics because it puts minimal strain on your wrist as you're not twisting it, something that bothers a lot of office dwellers. Despite being very maneuverable, this device weighs about 3.46 ounces, and even though it has a really low price, it has a very quality build and it'll last you a long time. The mouse utilizes a pair of AA batteries to function, which should be enough for about 3 months before needing a change, with an average use of about 8 hours a day. Thanks to its 2.4 GHz wireless connection, the device has a pretty good range. My favourite feature about this device is its great optical sensor that works perfectly on every surface you can think of, and it has 3 DPI settings ranging from 800 to 1600, making this mouse very functional and practical. Speaking of its features, the Anker Vertical has a great feature that turns it off in about 8 minutes of inactivity. On top of that, you have the browser buttons, including the back and forward buttons, that make browsing a breeze. I didn't expect the high amounts of comfort and functionality that this mouse delivered. It surprised me, and with a low price, you have nothing to lose. And at number 1, it's the Logitech G305. The best budget wireless mouse in 2019 comes from Logitech with the G305, which is a proper gaming mouse that can deliver high performance and functionality on top of its great comfort and ergonomics package. This mouse is very affordable to buy, very easy to use, has great wireless connectivity, an amazing sensor, great battery life, beautiful design and much more. You really can't get better value in any other mouse. The Logitech G305 is a very well-designed mouse that's very comfortable to use with its good ergonomics and delivers some nice style. It's also worth mentioning that it's very compact and small, measuring about 4.5 by 2.5 by 1.5 inches in total, so you can opt for either grip style, claw or palm, depending on your preference. It also weighs just 3.4 ounces in total, making it one of the lightest in the market. In terms of buttons, it has the standard left, right and scroll wheel button, and to add to that, a dots per inch sensitivity button and 2 thumb buttons that are programmable. A very clean design with no RGB lights or any other thing that'll distract you can fit comfortably into many settings. The nano receiver is stored in the mouse itself, and when you plug it in your PC, it'll automatically start working. Right out of the box, you have 4 DPI settings in the mouse itself. However, if you install the Logitech gaming software, you can customize the DPI and the buttons to suit your needs. The wireless connectivity is excellent and works from every corner of the room, and the battery life is great as it'll last you about 2 months before giving up. The advanced 12,000 dpi Hero optical sensor delivered a very pleasing performance throughout with great accuracy and efficiency. It worked excellently on various surfaces, and thanks to its ultra-fast 1 millisecond response time, you can comfortably use it for gaming. Truly one of the best wireless mice in the market, delivering plenty of value for its price. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.